In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Google Analytics demo account, a fantastic tool for anyone looking to get familiar with analytics without affecting their own data. This walkthrough will take about 5 minutes, and by the end you'll be navigating the demo account with ease. First, let's start by heading over to the Google Analytics page. If you haven't done this before, it might sound a bit daunting, but really it's just a few clicks away. Open your browser and type in Google Analytics Tools and Solutions. This is your gateway to all the nuanced features that Google Analytics offers. By accessing the demo account, you can explore these features without any pressure. It's a wonderful sandbox environment where you can track and test to your heart's content. Once you're on the main Google Analytics page, you're going to want to spot the sign in button. Click on it, and this will lead you directly into Google Analytics. If you already have a Google account, make sure you're logged in. If not, it'll prompt you for your Google credentials, so have those on hand. Enter them, and you'll be one step closer to accessing the Insights Hub. Now that you're in, you'll land on the Google Analytics homepage. This is where you'll find various analytics features and your account overview. Don't get overwhelmed by the dashboard, it has a lot of information, but for now we'll focus on getting to that demo account. Your next step is to head over to the Help section. It's usually located in the upper right corner of your screen, represented by a small question mark or the word Help. Click on Help and you should see a search bar pop up. This search tool is incredibly useful as Google's comprehensive analytics documentation is at your fingertips. Type in Access Demo Account in the search bar. What this will do is pull up guides and instructions related to navigating through the demo environment. At this stage you should see a result directing you on how to open the demo account. Simply follow that link and voila. You're officially in the Google Analytics demo account. Here, you can explore real-time data from a real business without any risk. It's a valuable tool for learning and even troubleshooting any issues you might encounter when you proceed with your own data later on. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've gone from curious novice to being inside the Google Analytics demo account. It's a great first step on your journey to mastering web analytics. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to play around and ask questions if you're unsure. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.